Ever found yourself needing a substantial amount of cash, like, say, $2,000, and the nearest option is an ATM? The question buzzing in your head, understandably, would be, can this machine actually dispense that much? Today, we're diving deep into that exact scenario, specifically focusing on Westpac ATMs. Now, ATMs are incredibly convenient for our everyday banking needs. They allow us to access our funds quickly, deposit cash and checks, and perform various other transactions without stepping into a branch. But when it comes to larger withdrawals, things can get a little less straightforward. Banks implement withdrawal limits for a variety of reasons, primarily security and fraud prevention. These limits help protect both the bank and its customers from unauthorized access to funds. So, let's get straight to the point. Can you withdraw $2,000 in one go from a Westpac ATM? The short answer is, it depends. Westpac, like most banks, does have daily withdrawal limits on its ATM cards. However, these limits aren't set in stone and can vary depending on several factors. One of the most significant factors is your specific account type. Higher-tier accounts or those with a longer banking history might have higher default withdrawal limits compared to basic or newly opened accounts. Westpac also considers your transaction history and overall relationship with the bank when determining these limits. If you've consistently managed your account responsibly, you might be eligible for a higher withdrawal allowance. Another crucial aspect is whether you've personalized your ATM withdrawal limit. Westpac often allows customers to adjust their daily ATM withdrawal limit within a certain range. You might have previously set a limit that's lower than $2,000. It's always a good idea to be aware of your current daily limit, which you can usually check through Westpac's online banking platform, mobile app, or by contacting their customer service. Now, what if your default or personalized daily limit is lower than $2,000? Does that mean you're out of luck if you urgently need that amount? Not necessarily. There are a few potential workarounds. Firstly, you might be able to make multiple withdrawals within the same day, provided that the sum of these withdrawals doesn't exceed your daily limit. However, keep in mind that there might be transaction fees associated with multiple withdrawals, depending on your account type. Secondly, and perhaps the most reliable option for a large withdrawal like $2,000, is to visit a Westpac branch. At a branch, you can speak directly with the teller and request the specific amount you need, subject to your available balance. While this might take a little more time than using an ATM, it bypasses the daily withdrawal limits imposed on automated transactions. You may need to provide identification for verification purposes. Finally, depending on the urgency and your relationship with Westpac, you might be able to request a temporary increase to your daily ATM withdrawal limit. This usually requires contacting Westpac's customer service and explaining your situation. They will assess your request and determine if a temporary increase is possible. While it might be possible to withdraw $2,000 from a Westpac ATM, it's not a guaranteed yes. Your individual account type, personalized withdrawal limits, and the bank's policies all play a role. Checking your current daily limit and considering alternatives like branch withdrawals are crucial steps if you need a larger sum of cash. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.